This video is in our companion card dispenser. Customers purchase this for trade shows and display purposes. This particular customer wanted a red push button, which we installed for him. It has our CTD 200 card dispenser inside, 12-volt power supply, and the little harness. It sits on a tabletop or can be mounted on a metal optional plate. Generally, most customers order it as you see here. It sits on the tabletop, or it can be bolted to the wall or to the side of the machine. Their choice. Press the push button and it dispenses a card. Simple as that. Inside, a little hard to do this as one person here, but you have the card dispenser. For loading of your cards, holds about 160 cards. Very simple and straightforward. Has a lock, cam lock. Not much more I can say for it. It's $495, and we stock them on the shelf. Normally not with a red push button, but we do have red push buttons in stock. And it's also a green-red LED to let you know when it's low on cards or out of cards. You need more additional information, contact XCP Corp 352-678-3021, or go to our website and place the order for it at www.xcpcorp.com. Thank you for watching this video.